Hi guys, Eric Sanchez again, and I'm here to share with you 3 steps to help eliminate boredom. But the title of this clip is that, how do we manage to bore ourselves? And you might say, manage my boredom. That's correct. And it seems like boredom is something that happens to you as opposed to a choice that you're deliberately making, which produces the state, mentally and emotionally. So I'm going to share with you 3 different steps that you could use them immediately after finishing this clip. I'm going to outline them. A is, what am I focusing on? B is, what meaning do I give that? And C is, what kind of action do I take or non-action do I take? And either one of the actions will facilitate the feeling and the meaning. So then what do I mean? A lot of times when we do boredom, it's basically a splitting of attention. A splitting of attention means that I'm here with you right now, and I could be possibly thinking, where else could I be? A lot of times with boredom, we consider ourselves doing one thing and comparing it to something else that we would prefer to be doing. Now, by the meaning of giving prefer to be doing, it makes it better than where we are. And therefore, we're stuck here and want to be there. That is a strategy of boredom which most people basically use. Now, the smart devices that we have help to curtail that, because a lot of times if we're sitting there waiting, we naturally pull out our phone, our tablet, or any other means that will get us in touch with something other than what we're currently doing. So if you want to be bored with being bored, and then that might be able to change it for you. So the step is, what am I thinking about? What am I focusing on? Number 2, what meaning does that mean? And number 3, how do I facilitate the feeling by action? A lot of times the action could be thinking of something else that reinforces where I am, or it could be using my phone to look at, or using my tablet to look at. That will stimulate what? A change of focus. If we happen to be bored about something, think about 4 or 5 other things that you could not be doing, and you're happy that you're where you are. So the basic premise is, while you're bored, ask yourself this question: what am I not thinking of right now? And when you ask yourself, what am I not thinking of right now, you bring into your attention other alternatives that prior to that question you may have not compared where you would prefer to be to where you are now. Usable tips. A, what am I focusing on? B, what does it mean in the action that I take? If you use these 3 steps whenever you feel that sensation coming on, we call boredom, you can begin to change it now so that you can at least be free of the tyrant itself. Again, Eric Sanchez here, enjoying my time with you. Hit some comments on there and give me some feedback so I can make better videos and better clips so we can both enjoy ourselves instead of being